Welcome to our channel 2K Kid Explorer. Today's Chrome extension update is the awesome Noisli extension. The digital place for focus. From Chrome extension, install Noisli and pin it. Now click the extension. A window is popped up to log in. Select free sign up and use a Google account for that. It is a faster way to create an account. Then the Noisli webpage is opening. You can see the features present in the extension. Use the headphone for a better experience. Either you can select productivity option or random. Set the timer for listening. In the free version, rain, thunderstorm, wind, forest, water streams, seaside, summer nights, and train background sounds are there. Listen to background sounds to mask annoying noises. It helps you focus on your tasks, reduce stress, and to help you relax or simply wind down after a stressful day. Also increases your productivity. If you like this, click like. Don't forget to subscribe for next update. See you in the next update. Thank you.